we are back with another episode of What You Talking About. My name is Ryan Johnson, and I'm going to be showing you a watch today from Victorinox. It's a 241799. This one's a ladies' watch, but it's still a gorgeous timepiece. It's all black. Can't wait to show you guys. See you guys on the flip side. Hey guys, so we are back and we are looking at the Victorinox 241799. Now this one comes straight out of the Maverick collection, and we're looking at an MSRP on this one of $450. Now, we have a case diameter on this model of 34 millimeters, a case thickness of 10 millimeters, black ion plated stainless steel, unidirectional bezel. Just going to show you guys how that clicks. Super nice motion, right? So we have this three-piece bracelet here, also black ion plated stainless steel. All right, we have that single folding clasp. I'm just gonna get it up for you. It's the gloves. That's really the issue here. Here we go. Can't really get a good purchase on it. There we go. So you can see how that opens up. We have that stainless steel case back to show you as well. This one also features a nice screw lock crown. It's right here. That just screws in. All right, so we have a sapphire crystal on this model. Very nicely laid out dial. You guys can see it's very easily readable, super legible dial. We have some lume on the hands and a date aperture there at 6 o'clock. So powering this model is a Swiss-made Ronda 705 quartz movement. All right, and we have water resistance on this watch at 100 meters. So I'm going to show you guys what this watch looks like on my wrist in just a couple seconds. All right, so here we have it, the Victorinox 241799 on my wrist. Now this is a 7-inch wrist, so it's not an overly large wrist. So you guys can figure out, I guess, what this 34 millimeter case is going to look like on your wrist, Now, you can see how nicely this watch lays. And, it's not very thick. Let me see if I can get the angle there for you so you can see the thickness. It's not very thick, but it does have a very nice wrist presence. Overall, it's a good looking watch. Now, as always, you guys can find this watch and so many other watches at mygiftstop.com. This one right now is on sale. We have a very special deal going on right now. For those of us who are watching this show on YouTube, you can head on down. Got an awesome deal going on right now. And, I just want to say thank you for watching these episodes of What You Talking About. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all the support. And this is Ryan Johnson signing out.